Okay. Hello everyone. So this is my second video for robotics, but first video for Arduino microcontroller, obviously. So as I told you, as I promised you that I will make videos on microcontrollers, and first video is going to be, first of all, we are going to learn Arduino. So first of all, let me tell you that I'm not a teacher, so and I'm not going to tell you how to download Arduino IDE. You can watch a lot of videos available on YouTube to to learn how to download our Arduino IDE. Okay, I'm going to start from the Arduino programming part. Okay, and we are learning together, so our focus is to learn and not I'm not a teacher, so don't expect me to be correct all the time. Okay, I can be wrong, I can be incorrect, but I expect you to teach me, and I am going to tell you or teach you everything what I know. Okay, like like friends. Okay, so that's what I'm that's why I create creating this playlist that we can learn together. Okay, and teach uh, each other. Okay. Okay, first of all, um, all the upcoming videos, and in this video also, that I will ask you a question. I mean, not one question all the time, but a few questions based on how much the concept is big or difficult, depend on that. According to that concept, I will ask you the questions. But why? Because I don't want this video to be irrelevant, or because really want to learn. Okay, I really want to learn, so you know that we should I mean we should revise things. Okay, so how can I revise? Simple thing, simple obviously, I mean simply we can just take questions for each concept, and just what the hell I'm doing. Okay, in short, I am saying that I will ask you questions, and I will also attempt those questions to check my understanding, how much I understood about the concept. So that's why, and use them for revision also. So in short, so it doesn't mean that they just keep posting and posting these videos. I literally want to learn them, so that's why I'm doing this properly with questions. Okay, so I think uh, I have talked a lot, and 3 minutes, okay, happened. So let's see. Okay, so the first simple. Okay, first question is, what is the basic structure we write in Arduino programming? Okay, what is the basic simple structure? Okay, so you have 10 seconds to answer it. So let's try. Okay, let me give you some hints that first of all, this is the structure is in C++. One thing. Second, mm, the structure has only two functions, nothing else. Two basic function, a signature or declaration, what is it called. These two things we write all the time when we want to write any code for Arduino. These are the things we do. Okay, I think 10 seconds happened, I don't know, but I will edit it like for 10 seconds. Okay, so I am going to switch the camera so I can show you that that I mean I in short I'm also going to write the code. Okay, um, so let's see. Okay, so I think first of all let me tell you that I'm not a teacher, so I can be wrong. Okay, whatever I'm doing is learning in front of you, so you can correct me if I'm wrong. And let's see. So the basic the basic code we need in um, Arduino programming, that is void, 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 setup, setup, then parentheses and curly brackets. And I can write it also, or I can write here also, whatever you like, it doesn't matter, because C++, it doesn't, I mean, we can write it like this. It's not Python that we have to write with proper. I am holding the camera, so it is hard for me to write and see in the camera screen simultaneously, so it's taking long loop. And okay, this is a simple code that we always have to write in C plus or Arduino programming. Okay, so this is actual theory part. Okay, so if you have written this uh, code, okay, so that means you are correct, I think so. Let me check in the code. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so here I have our Arduino Nano. Okay, I don't have Arduino Uno, and I don't think I need Arduino Uno, because right now main important thing is to learn programming. And I can I mean I can check my programming skill on this little microcontroller. So right now I don't need any my Arduino Uno, so I can go with it. So let's see, let's check. Okay, so let's connect. Okay, so I have connected, and it's blinking. No, it isn't blinking actually. It it's indicating that it's somehow, I mean, it is in PWR power, I think. Okay, so I think it is, the light is showing that it is in power. So okay, let's see next. Okay, it is telling me to download some update. Right now I'm going to skip version. Should I skip or not now? Not now. Okay, not now. Okay, okay, sorry, I wasn't for looking at this phone screen. Okay, here you can see my previous code. Let me uh, remove it. Okay, okay, so first of all I'm going to write the code that I mentioned, void, void. Okay, void and setup. So this is the basic code, okay, that we that is required uh, to write Arduino program. Okay, let's check first of all. Are we okay? Here we can verify. Let's verify what is telling us. complete sketch. Okay, okay, this is a message. Sketch uses for 40 bytes of program storage maximum. Okay, I think everything is fine. Okay, let's upload into our Arduino. Okay, it is blinking right now. Okay, what is written next to it? It is a TX. Okay, now, okay, something it is L. Okay, okay, by the way, nothing is going to happen actually, because we haven't written anything, any program in the functions. Okay, so this is a basic structure we have written, but there's no any sort of instructions to follow, so nothing is going to happen. We can check, I think, also in serial monitor, and serial monitor is empty, because we are not printing anything at all. So okay, so I think this is the basic code. One more question, I mean, I have in my mind. Let's see what will happen if I where is the cursor? Okay, okay, let's see. Let me remove this serial monitor. Okay, what will happen if I delete this and try to verify? Let's see. Okay, it's still compiling sketch and nothing. Okay, oh, still. Okay, there's an error. Okay, compilation error is exit status 1. Okay, so one thing we understood that if, I mean, if we keep it empty, okay, if we didn't provide anything, so it is going to throw an error. So in short, okay, in function main, what it means in function main, I don't know. Okay, so in short, we have to provide something. Okay, I think I wrote something here. No, oh, it is index number actually. It is an index number. So here is nothing. Okay, as you can see, where's the cursor? Okay, here you can see. Here I can type, and now it's empty, so nothing else. Okay, so finally we understood that how we can write basic structure for Arduino, and that is required by Arduino, that we give it at least a basic empty structure to okay, this is a basic structure that we have to provide in Arduino, a nano Uno, whatever it is. So okay, so by the way, one more thing, that this code is written in C++ language. Okay, that might be possible that it is written in C also, because I don't know the difference between the C and C++, but I know this code I can write in C++ also. So everything, so I believe that this code is written in C++. Okay, okay, that's it. In short, if you are familiar with C++ language, so you are not going to you are not going to face any problem in Arduino programming. Okay, so simple. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so in the end, I would like to say that if you have any query or would like to say to me, you can obviously comment it out, and I'm sorry for the voice. Okay, that you have to bear my voice, because I know that mic of my phone's mic is not very good, but let's see, I will do something for that in future. And sorry for my bad English, I know that this is very bad. Okay, so see you in the next video. Okay, so till then, bye.